Welcome to Builder Information Systems Video Learning Center. This Getting Started tutorial will cover creating a new company. When starting out, the first order of business in Builder Information System is to create your new company within the software. This process is fairly straightforward. However, there are some considerations and decisions that should be made prior to initiating this process. They include what chart of accounts you wish to use, what cost code library you wish to use, what will be your fiscal year start date, whether you will require data and information entered for the year prior to your initial fiscal year start date, and your anticipated date for going live within Builder Information System. This tutorial provides details for creating a new company within Builder Information System. Access the New Company screen by selecting the New Company link in the white area of the My Desktop Other folder, or by selecting New Company in the File menu. When the New Company screen appears, note the section in the lower right with the Copy Sample options. The copy samples are available options to choose from and may help expedite portions of your new company setup. The use of these samples is highly recommended since they can later be expanded, edited, and adapted to fit the individual needs of your company. To view an available option in Copy Sample Chart of Accounts or Copy Cost Code Library, select the option from the drop-down and click on the preview icon to the immediate right. The sample option may then be printed from the preview screen for further review. If you wish to create your company with one of the sample chart of accounts or cost code libraries, check the checkbox to the left and select the desired sample in the drop-down. Once your new company is created, the chart of accounts and cost code library may be modified upon accessing the company data. Refer to the tutorials on the chart of accounts and cost code library for further information. To create your new company, first enter your company ID. This is an alphanumeric code up to 8 characters that you'll enter or select when you wish to access the company's data in BIS. Next, enter the complete company name exactly as it appears on financial statements and reports, including punctuation and abbreviations up to 50 characters. This is critical because the company's security code is generated in part using the company name in combination with the edition type and license information. Also because all the reports and documents generated within the data will reflect the name as it is entered here. Changing the company name after the security code has been generated can be done for an additional fee. Note that with the exception of the state field, directory folder, which will be created automatically, and the starting fiscal year date needing to be entered, the address, phone, and contact information can be filled in later if needed. The Address 1 field records the primary street address. This is an alphanumeric field and is limited to 30 characters. The Address 2 is secondary street information. It is an alphanumeric field limited to 30 characters. City is also an alphanumeric field up to 30 characters. The state abbreviation may be typed manually or selected using the Find tool. The zip code field records the postal zip code. This number is limited to 9 digits, which is formatted automatically upon entry. The IRS country code is necessary for those companies which report W-2s and 1099s on magnetic media. Check with the IRS or your accountant for the proper code. The telephone and fax number fields are limited to 10 digits and will be formatted automatically. The name of the main contact for the company can be recorded here. This is an alphanumeric field and is also limited to 30 characters. The directory folder is where the data for the new company will be located. The Browse button may be used to browse and select the path, including the drive, directory, subdirectories. If the subdirectory does not exist, then BIS will allow you to create it on the fly by typing in the path and then creating it in the process. The Fiscal Year Beginning Date field determines the beginning date for the company's fiscal year. It is highly recommended that the fiscal year date not be changed once it is selected. The fiscal year beginning date must always be the first day of whichever month is selected. The current fiscal year ending date calculates and automatically displays the ending date for the company's current fiscal year based on the fiscal year beginning date. The chart of accounts length field is used to specify the number of digits included in the account numbers that will be created and edited in the chart of accounts. The minimum length is 3, while the maximum is 10. Once set, this length may be changed with the Change Length of Chart of Accounts form in the Administrator menu within Builder Information System. Disk free space displays the amount of space available on the drive selected in the Directory field. Once all the vital information is entered and you are ready to create the company, click the OK button. Once the company is successfully created, it will bring you up to the login screen, ready to access the company data.